Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com. And your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Welltower. This is ticker WELL. Now, Well has just been added to the active trade list at Stock Market Mentor by Dan Fitzpatrick. And for good reason. This stock has moved through the 50-day moving average and did it on a day when the general market was relatively weak. If I open up SPY, we can see SPY is under the 50-day moving average, and the Qs are also under the 50-day moving average. But Well is showing a heck of a lot of relative strength right here with a green day on typically a red day in the market. Now, Well does have earnings coming up on Tuesday of next week, but we might get a short-term momentum rally on Well if it's able to get above and stay above today's intraday high around 192.10. So I have an alert here on Well just above 192.10, and I would like to see some upside follow through for a potential pre-earnings rally. Now that has to happen with a move through 192.10, and so that's where I think we should watch for a potential trigger on a momentum trade tomorrow. So that's just one of many things we're watching right now at StockMarketMentor.com. The markets are never not interesting. Come hang out with a bunch of people that are just obsessed with the stock market as you are. StockMarketMentor.com. I hope to see you there.